In this video, I'll show you how to edit PDF files using ChatGPT, how this feature works, and how you can use it to edit your own PDF files. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for Chat on Google. Once Chat website opens, make sure you're logged in. Once you open ChatGPT, you'll see the main ChatGPT interface. On the left side, you will see many options. Click on Plugins. You'll see a list of different applications that can be connected with ChatGPT. Today, we're going to use Adobe to work with a PDF file. So, go to the Plugins search box and type Adobe. After searching for Adobe, you'll see many options. Make sure you select Adobe Marketing Agent. Do not select any other option. Click on Adobe Marketing Agent. Now you have to first install this plugin. Select Install Plugin. A new tab will open. Click on Allow Access. Now you have to open your Adobe account. Once you have signed in, click on Try and Chat. The ChatGPT conversation window will open, and you'll notice that Adobe Marketing Agent is connected to the chat. Now let's attach the PDF we want to edit. Click the plus symbol icon and select Add Photos and Files. Choose the PDF file from your computer. For this demonstration, I have this particular PDF file. I'll select it, and as you can see, the PDF has now been attached to the conversation. The next step is very simple. You just need to tell ChatGPT what changes you want to make to the document. For example, in my PDF, I want to change grade 1 to grade 2. So I'll simply give ChatGPT an instruction asking it to replace grade 1 to grade 2. I'll also ask it to return the edited document as a PDF and preserve the original formatting. You can write your instructions in either English or Hindi, depending on what you're comfortable with. Once your prompt is ready, click Go. Now ChatGPT will start processing the file. Within a few moments, it will analyze the PDF and make the requested changes. And there you have it. The edited PDF is ready. ChatGPT provides a download link for the updated file. Simply click the link, and you can download the edited PDF to your computer. Let's open the file and check the results. As you can see, the grade 1 is changed to grade 2. In this way, you can make other changes in the PDF document as well, like change timetable. This makes the process of editing certain PDF documents much easier because you can simply upload the file, describe the changes you want, and let ChatGPT handle the editing. You can also provide more specific instructions if you want to improve the result. Thanks for watching.